Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Benin. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you I have opened this eVisa website of Benin. Okay, so the very first thing I would recommend, and for anyone, go to FAQ, because all the questions like fee, who should apply, um, when you should apply, if the details can be modified, money back, everything is written here so that you know what it is. All right, and how it works. So you're going to enter your email address, passport, and its expiry date, and submit, and you will get a link in your email to verify, and then from there you can proceed. Alright guys, so I begin with apply for an e-visa. So as I said, email, confirm your email, passport number, expiry date, and send. So I'm going to proceed with this, and then I'm going to see. So guys, what happens is after that the system does send you a link, and you need to open that link in order to continue with your application. So basically they are verifying your email. Okay, now group or family trip, I selected no, but if yes, provide that yes. Okay, if you're traveling, then so in that case they will ask the details of multiple travelers. See, you can add, but if you're going single, go for no. So answer as per your case, last name. Now everything here should completely match with your passport. There is no if, there is no but. So that means anything you enter here, you have to verify 2 times. Date of birth, what should I select guys? Place of birth, check your passport. Place of birth. Country of birth. Country of nationality. Other country of nationality. Well, India does not allow dual nationality, so that's not even the question. Then profession. Let's IT consultant. Phone number. Home address. Of course, oh, we are 10 digits. Wow. Home address. Of course, you know your address. Country of residence, you know that, right? E-visa. What kind of visa? 30 days, single month. I said 90 days. Are you making request from an embassy? I select no. Visa price is selected. Okay, now we are in the travel section. Date of previous stay in Benin if applicable, if you have ever stayed there. Date of entry, let's say I enter this. Residence address, so if you have booked a hotel, it will be there. Duration of stay, let's say I'll say 10. Country of departure, let's say you're going from India. Destination after living in, let's say India. Means of subsistence, how you're going to support yourself, provide a return guarantee why you will return to your place. So like you have job, home, relatives, family, business in your home country, that you can write it here. A reason for the trip, summer camp, wow. Studies, family, official mission, repatriation, meeting, health, seminar, summit, sport, tourism. Wow. A passport information. So country of issue, date of issue, next is gonna be the payment. Okay, here you can see everything about the application, and next is to confirm and pay. If you want to make an edit, this is edit, you can go back and do, and once it goes into payment and then further, then if granted, you are all good to go. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.